Step aside boring presentations. Vevox is the ultimate solution for dynamic and interactive meetings and classes.
It's got everything you would expect from a live polling and Q&A platform, plus so much more.
Want to test knowledge, rank ideas, brainstorm, measure learning, check the mood, or just break the ice? Vevox's vast range of polling options has you covered. Q&A is super simple to manage whilst offering a range of advanced options. Make announcements, moderate and respond to questions, categorize messages and cherry pick the questions that matter the most to your audience. And guess what? You can even share the controls and the data to collaborate with your colleagues. Need feedback or want to test knowledge asynchronously? Self-paced surveys with real-time results are at your service. Use gamified quizzes and leaderboards to captivate learners and boost retention. Learning has never been this fun or easy, with an AI quiz question generator to do all the heavy lifting for you. And for that extra impact, make it your own with simple branding and theming. But that's not all. Share stunning charts, poll comparisons, attendance reports, and detailed breakdowns at the click of a button. With seamless integrations into the tools you already use, elevating your presentations has never been easier. Rated #1 in the world for ease of use and support. What are you waiting for? Ready to get tooled up to provide unmissable meetings and classes? Book a demo or sign up for a free account today.